Good evening, friends. This is another Macintosh laptop, and we are from Electric Doctors. You can see the Macintosh is on. The model is 1278. The problem is with this Macintosh laptop, the keyboard is partly not working. You can see this line A, S, D, F, H, G, K, L. This line is not working for this laptop. So in such case, we can do one thing. We can just turn off the laptop and take out the logic board, and we can just check the keyboard cable. So in case that carbon conductor which attached with the keyboard connector sometimes damaged, sometimes those carbon are not able to pass voltage, so that's why it is not working. So we can do one thing. We can just shut the laptop down, and we'll just take out the logic board, and we'll reach to the connector, and we'll just cut the connector a little bit and insert the connector again. That will show you just after shutting down the laptop. So my friend is shutting down the Macintosh first. He's just pressing the shutdown button and it shuts down, and he turns the laptop down, upside down, and taking out the backlit. Just check it carefully. He took the backlit out, and you can see this is the whole logic board, this is the battery, this is the hard disk drive, this is the optical disk drive or CD writer, whatever you can say. Now we'll just first take out the battery connector. He's just taking out the battery connector very carefully, otherwise the battery connector will be damaged or the corner of the battery connector will be cracked. Now he will just take out the logic board first. Before taking out the logic board, my friend is just open the latch of the keyboard very carefully, and he is just checking the keyboard flap, the flexible connection of the keyboard, whether the carbon is in proper order or it is damaged. Okay, so you can see over here it is. Okay, so now he is just checking the connector with the magnifier, and with the help of a brush he is just cleaning it. Okay, you can see, understand. Okay, so he is putting some iso profile with the help of a piece of tissue paper, and very careful with this carbon connections, because in case of iso profile, if we put some thinner or some other spirit, so that all the carbon connection will be disappear or erased. So it should be done very carefully with the proper spirit or isopropyl. Now my friend is just reinserting the keyboard flexible cable and just closing the latch of that logic board which controls the keyboard. You can see with the help of a tweezer and with the help of right hand and left hand. So everybody, you can see after cleaning up the keyboard cable, again the problem is still appearing and the keyboard is not working. So my friend is unscrewing all the screw of Mac right now, and the screws are all of special nature. This is not like plus screwdriver or minus screwdriver, this is star headed screwdriver. So we need different head of for unscrewing the Mac. you can see we have so many bullets with this screwdriver set, so we are using different heads. And these are all cable of hard disks, so such way you can disconnect it. This is the writer and everything, Wi-Fi. There is a fan part. So now he is just taking out the fan cable from the logic board with the help of a tweezer, and fan taken out. We have unplugged the display cable first. And over here it's a bit of like a critical part. We need to take out the mic. Over here just underneath there is a mic of a MacBook Pro 1278, and we need to take out the mic, otherwise we cannot take out the logic board. Maybe the cable would be damaged if we try to remove the logic board forcefully. So it's sensitive. We'll just taking out the logic board, you can see carefully.